Yeah. Please tell me that I can't, that I won't, that I fail, that I'll never make it out, yeah.
Welcome back to my channel. This is Randy back with another video, and today I have another fragrance that is a new release, and it's by Paco Rabanne, and that is 1 Million Elixir. I just received it today along with Givenchy Gentleman Reserve Privé. So I will be doing two videos today, so I hope you guys enjoy. So with the nice weather outside, spring just around the corner, pretty much already here, I'm happy to do this fragrance because apparently it's a great spring and summer fragrance. And again, that's 1 Million Elixir. So let me get this open here. And as you can see, the presentation I won't go too much into, but it's the gold box. It has the 1 Million Elixir, Paco Rabanne, and then it's 100 milliliter, 3.4 ounce. And on the bottom, the batch code is 12991. Bottle presentation, as you can see, it's an embossed triangle with a 1. It almost looks like the Illuminati symbol. It says 1 Million Elixir, and then the size and concentration. It is almost identical to the original as far as the color scheme and the dark glass. So I'm going to waste a few sprays here for you. And I'm going to give you the note breakdown. The top notes are apple and Divana. The mid notes are osmanthus, damask rose, and cedar. And the base notes are vanilla absolute, tonka bean, and patchouli. Ooh. So that is very interesting. I really like this so far. This is a great opening. So they're going in a almost completely different direction than the Parfum went with the overwhelming florals. I wasn't a big fan of the Parfum. I love the 1 Million line. I like the OG a lot. 1 Million Lucky is one of my favorites. So this actually, so good. So right off the top, you're getting like almost like a synthetic fruitiness. It's sweet. It has the sweetness of the original, but with this fruitiness of not plum like the 1 Million Lucky, but it is a fruitiness very similar to that. And if any of you guys have 1 Million Lucky, this has an opening very similar to that, but it's like a mix between that and the original. It's a sweet, yet it has this florally, so you get that apple, and then it has like a florally touch to it, but the florals almost make it a little bit more fruity. So I'm guessing it's the damask rose or the osmanthus. I don't really know what they smell like per se in real life, but it's really nice. So I'm going to be back in just a little bit to let you know what I think about the performance. I'm not going to wait as long as I did for the other videos, but we'll go. So it's been 2.5 hours since I sprayed on 1 Million Lucky, and I have to say I really do like this fragrance. It's probably not my favorite in the line, but it is up there. My favorite's probably still 1 Million Lucky. A lot would ask about why Privé is not my favorite. It's because I feel like that's one-dimensional. I can only wear that like certain time of the year, and it only does that good. And 1 Million Lucky I can wear all year round. But back to this fragrance, what it does well is it takes a little bit from a lot of the fragrances in the line and what they do well and puts it into one bottle. So you get that youthful sweetness from the original, especially from the original's opening, and they add it to this bottle and make it a little bit more mature of a sweetness. Then they take a similar type fruit note from the 1 Million Lucky, add it into this, especially again in the opening and the mid. But then once this dries down, I didn't notice it in the opening, but once it dries down, you get these like masculine floral notes from similar to the Parfum. If you didn't like the Parfum, don't worry, this is not like that. But it does give me a vibe in the dry down of this like masculine floral that mixes with the tonka bean and vanilla to give it like a warmth. And then the cedar comes in, a little bit of cedar to give it some aromatic feel to make it a very nice spring scent. I'd say this is more of like a daytime scent, not really nighttime or anything like that. It's a fresh spring, early summer type fragrance that I would wear definitely, for sure. I would give it probably like an 8 out of 10. Again, it's not my favorite in the line, but it is a very nice fragrance. They did it very well. As far as the performance, again, we're only at 2 hours. I don't have the full interpretation of it, but at this point in time, it is still going almost 100% strong. And as an elixir, I definitely expected that because it is the strongest in the line. as far as concentration is concerned. It projects at this point in time at least double my arm's length, so at least 6 feet or so. And it's a very nice fragrance overall, and I'm guessing that the performance will be just as good as the others, but probably better because it's an elixir. But overall, if you guys want more information, feel free to comment below. Like and subscribe if you like my content. I keep saying comment, I don't understand why. But if you like my content, again, like and subscribe. Again, I'm doing a giveaway at 50 subscribers, which is coming up very soon. And that will go as a 10 milliliter decant of your choice. And then at 100 subscribers, I'm doing a full bottle giveaway, so please stay tuned. And again, I'll be back with a follow-up in a few days once I get a full few days wear out of this. But thank you for tuning in. You guys have a good day.